Welcome back to Mobility Everyday. Today we are doing a short video focusing on our hip and inner thighs, actively stretching the muscles in the nooks and crannies of our hip joints here, doing each movement in a variety of ways so that we're able to release as many knots as possible. Start by folding from your hips and shift your weight from side to side. Just make sure you do it in a slow and small range of motion, and make sure that your knee doesn't go in front of the ankle. Keep the knee right on top of the ankle as much as possible, and slowly transition it to doing even slower, going slightly deeper into the stretch. If you need to, you can stand in a wider stance here. And if your knee goes over the ankle a little bit, that's okay, just not too much. We don't want to stress out the knees, okay? Again, back to a more rhythmic, dynamic shift here from side to side as we prepare for the next movement. So here is where we go deeper. Slowly, bringing your weight slightly lower. Adjust the stance of your legs as you feel you need to. And also try to keep your spine as straight as possible. We are going into a deeper stretch of our adductor muscles, as well as our hip joints here. So I often do this, transitioning in a slightly rhythmic, faster pace here. This movement may not look like much, but that bouncy, shifty nature actually does quite a lot to release tightness, preparing now for an even deeper, longer stretch. So adjust your stance, go wider and go lower. Hold for a couple of seconds, coming back up and go down again. Try to keep both feet on the ground if possible. Only when we keep the feet on the ground can we have the support at the base. So try to hold it there. And we also want to stretch the straight leg as much as possible so that it's not all on the knee that's bent. If you feel a bit of pulling in the knee, I suggest you open your legs even wider. And after a few times, you can come back up, take a break and continue. Or if you feel you have enough just by doing these a few times here, it's totally fine because this is a very deep stretch. I know you guys get the movement, so it's a matter of practicing it at your own time. So here, inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale, bring it down. Inhale, bringing your arms up, opening your lungs in fuller capacity. Exhale, bring it down. And with that, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Keep moving, keep getting better, because our body loves it when we move. We're born to move. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.